Hello everybody and welcome to this short Tableau tutorial video. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to create a calculated field in Tableau and how to change its aggregation to display the average. At this point, the dataset I'll be using today has already been uploaded into Tableau, and the employee data and Q12 engagement data has been properly linked. Those are the datasets I will be using today, although your data will be different. The steps will follow exactly the same, so it's easy for you to follow along. Because I have already linked my data properly, we can begin the process straight away without any additional setup. Although keep in mind, if you have not already gone through these steps, you'll need to do that first before we can begin. Also keep in mind, I have set up a few things already, such as department and the labels. That's just to make it easier and clearer for your understanding. With that being said, let's get started. We're first going to start by navigating our way into the left-hand side along here in the data pane. We're going to scroll down and you can click anywhere in the white box, right click, and a new menu should appear. At the top of the menu, click Calculated Field, Create Calculated Field. From there, a new window will appear, and at the top you'll see a default name which comes up as Calculation 1. We are going to start by replacing this with a more descriptive name. In my case, engagement is a name that fits my data that I'll be using today well. Your title may look different. Also keep in mind that the formula I'll be using through this example is applicable with my data, but when you type the formula, it may look different than mine, although this is still the exact same spot you would type in the formula. Next, we're going to move down into this white box here, which is where we enter a formula. I already have my formula copied, so I'm able to just paste it straight away. Although if you do want to type it manually, that works successfully as well. Once the formula has been entered correctly, you should look to the bottom and see a message in the window that says this calculation is valid. This confirms that there are no errors in this formula and that you are on the right track. From there, you're going to click OK, and this will create your calculated field. Now you have created the new calculated fields. If you look on the left-hand side of your data pane again, it should appear highlighted in green, the new calculated field you have just created. As you can see here, mine is listed right here. Typically, on the left-hand side of the data pane, it is also listed in alphabetical order, so if you cannot see it popping up right away, you can scroll to confirm that you have successfully created the calculated field. Now for our next step, we are going to change how it's aggregated. We are going to start by dragging our new calculated field into the columns row. As you can see here, it pops up as sum and then engagement. Today we are going to be changing that. We're going to start by clicking on the drop-down arrow along the right-hand side. From there, you can see a menu appear and a list of a variety of things to change. We are going to scroll down to about the midpoint where you can see measure. Right now, it says sum. Today, in this example, I'm going to be changing it to average, although for a variety of different data, you could be changing it to any of these followed here. From there, we're going to hover over measure and sum and then click on average. Now you can see that the average, it has changed to the average engagement. In my example, the average engagement score works well because it shows each department, and this can make it easy to compare which departments have higher or lower engagement levels. Although this is applicable for what I'm doing in Tableau today, possibly average doesn't work best for you, so you may pick what is more applicable for yourself. Overall, calculated fields are a powerful tool in Tableau because they allow you to create new metrics from existing data. In this case, we created a new calculated field and you now know how to change its aggregation. Thank you so much for watching and hopefully you learned something today.